Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and right now I will teach you how to change your Twitter display name on desktop or and give yourself a new name that's up to 50 characters long. So tired of your name on Twitter or you just want to change it like you want something. So fortunately, you don't have to use it forever. Yes, you can change it anytime you want. And in this video, we will show you how you can change your name. So there are two ways people actually can identify you on Twitter: using your handle, as we call username, or which starts with the at symbol in your, and the other one is your display name. Let's go to my profile to I will be showing you what do I mean. This is our username, and this has to be unique. This has to be, no one else can have this one. But when it comes to our display, it doesn't have to be unique. So let's keep going. So your display name, as you can see, it appears top at the top of your profile and is generally your real name, like or the plain English name you want people to associate with your Twitter account. So the reason why mine is BLM is because of the Black Lives Matter thing going on, right? And so this is the reason that I have it. But for this video, I am going to show you how to change it. For example, I would like to put my name right now. So what I'm going to do right now is this. And by the way, any change you do, it will be your followers, anyone who can see you, that will automatically see the new name. So what do I do is we're in our profile, right? We're gonna click here at its profile. Of course, you have to be in your Twitter and you have to be signed in. We shouldn't forget that one. And here, as you can see, we can just delete this and we can add our name. Just like this, yeah. Now when we're gonna click save, it is just saved, as you can see. It's so easy, right? So you actually don't have to use it for forever, but there are some things you need to know also. When you're typing your new name, it cannot be more than 50 characters. But there is, as I told you before, there is no such thing as that. It has to be unique, like your username. You can, anyone who has the name Daria or who wants to use this word as their name can use it. Like there can be thousands of people using it. There can be 5,000. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be unique. But yes, your username has to be unique. So we're done. We have clicked save. And anyone that following me right now, when I tweet something, the moment that I'm on their feed, they're gonna see my new display name. They're not gonna be seeing my old display name. So this was so easy, but still, if you have any questions about this, how to change your display name, ask me in the comments. I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for your questions. And you can also ask me questions about anything else. So if you like this video, do not forget to like our video and do not forget to turn that red button to gray as that says that you have subscribed to our channel. So see you guys.